I only stand with brands I believe in. And for me, belief starts with purpose. New Moon stands for more than everyday wellness. It stands for smarter choices women make when they decide to care for themselves more intentionally. Not for quick results, but for support that fits their real lives. It is a brand built on trust, consistency, and smarter self-care. A brand that understands that every Filipina's wellness journey looks different. Some are learning to protect their balance. Some are nurturing their glow. Some are rebuilding strength, prioritizing rest, or finding confidence again. That is what makes New Moon meaningful to me. It supports women in the moments that are not always seen. The routines, the discipline, the quiet decisions to choose yourself every day. Because wellness is not about changing how you look. It's about making smarter choices for how you feel, how you show up, and how you continue becoming the woman that you're meant to be.
So mga kapolitika, ang inyo pong napanood ay ang mga video clip ni Bea Milan Windorski at ni Miss Universe Puerto Rico 2026 na si Jennifer Barreto, dahil mainit na po ngayon ang comparison dito sa dalawang candidate na maglaban-laban dito sa Miss Universe 2026 na ganapin sa Latin America. At mainit na ngayon ang mga usapin kung sino ba talaga ang standout, sino yung malakas ang laban dito sa nasabing beauty pageant competition. So, si Jennifer Barreto ang kinoronahan ng Miss Universe Puerto Rico para ngayong taon. At in fact, merong mga usap-usapan ngayon dito sa social media ng mga Latinos na tila ba triggered sila at threatened sila mga kapolitika dito sa ating pambato na si Bea Milan Windorski. So ito po yung ating pag-uusapan at tatalakayin in this video. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At usapang Bea Milan naman po tayo para sa vlog na ito, dahil nga ang mga ganap ngayon, very busy ngayon itong si Bea Milan dito sa kanyang mga kaliwat kanang mga commitments, mga photoshoot at mga activities, dahil ilang buwan na nga lang po ay masasaksihan na natin ang laban ni Bea Milan Windorski doon sa bansang Puerto Rico sa baluarte ng mga Latinos. So nai-report natin sa ating mga naunang video na marami ang mga Latinos na hanga dito kay Bea Milan, at in fact ay isa siya sa mga frontrunner. Pero on the other side naman is meron din namang mga threatens sa kanya, dahil nga gusto rin nila na yung pambato nila ang manalo dito sa Miss Universe 2026. At isa na nga dito itong si Puerto Rican na si Jennifer Barreto. So yung mga Latinos ay gusto rin itong si Jennifer dahil nga maganda, malakas ang dating, fierce, at talagang masasabi natin na malakas ang kanyang laban dito sa beauty pageant competition. Ang disadvantage na lang ay meron na siyang asawa, meron na siyang anak. So hindi ko alam kung ano yung mangyayari dito mga kapolitika, kung talaga nga bang siya ang mananalo sa Miss Universe para ngayong taon. At doon naman sa mga nagsabi na sila ay threatened, ang gusto talaga nila itong si Jennifer Barreto, wala naman tayong issue doon mga kapolitika. Ang sa atin lang ay magkaroon ng fair treatment or fair result dito sa Miss Universe 2026. Kung makikita naman natin na talagang para sa kanya ang corona at deserve niya naman, ay hindi naman natin yun questionin. Pero ang sinasabi nga rin natin ay malakas talaga ang laban ni Bea Milan para ngayong taon. So walang asawa at walang anak itong si Bea Milan, which is I believe na yun ang talagang requirement dito sa Miss Universe, dahil nga for inclusivity lang ito nga sinasabi nila na pwedeng sumali ang mga may anak na, may asawa na. So I don't think na talagang seryoso, dahil mismo kay Anjo Kratatip nang galing na they can join but they cannot win. Okay, at medyo may edad-edad na rin itong si Jennifer, nasa 30s na siya. Okay, so yun ang disadvantage sa kanya. Pero again is kung deserving niya naman is hindi naman natin questionin dahil kitang-kita naman kung gaano kagaling itong si Jennifer Barreto. Okay, so yun ang aking masabi at magreaksyon dito sa mga Latinos na ay ngayon ini-issue itong si Bea Milan para lang may angat yung kanilang candidate na isa ring Latinas na mula sa Puerto Rico. At dahil nga kinukumpara itong si Bea Milan dito kay Jennifer Barreto na ang sabi nila ay possible top 2 daw sa Miss Universe 2026 at this point in time at threatened sila, it only means to say na talagang malakas ang maging laban ni Bea Milan doon sa bansang Puerto Rico. Dahil pinag-uusapan siya at marami ang mga triggered, mga threatened na dito sa presensya ni Bea Milan once na makarating na siya doon sa bansang Puerto Rico. Okay, so yun po ang ating update dito kay Bea Milan. At aside from this is naging part na rin po pala ng bench itong si Bea at pumirma na siya in fact ng kontrata nitong mga nakarang araw. So mga kapolitika, ano po ang inyong masasabi at magreaksyon dito sa mga balita sa social media na ang ilan di umano sa mga Latinos na tagahanga ni Jennifer Barreto ay triggered or threatened na dito kay Bea Milan Windorsky sa laban niya sa bansang Puerto Rico para sa Miss Universe 2026. Sino sa tingin nyo ang standout sa kanilang dalawa? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Why? Oh my God! คุณลูกเวงอินโตแล้วโอ้ยหาเอ้ย my God คุณจะเอาใครไปสู้วันเนี่ยโอ้โหแล้วเพลงจริตการเดินการหน่วยนาฏคุณจะเอาใครไปสู้เราเนี่ย ไม่เข้าได้ไงไม่เข้ากันเลยลงตัวแน่โอ้โหชุดลาตรีเหมือนจะไม่ส่งนะใช่ปะโอ้ยไฟเหมือนท้องฟ้าจำลองมากเลยเนาะไฟแสบตามากเลยเธอว่าชุดลาตรีไม่ค่อยส่งนะสำหรับเธอชุดลาตรีเบาฉันว่ามันมีชุดที่สวยพอดีปะโอ้โหดูตะลิจะก้านดิดูตะลิจะก้านดิโอ้โห my god อินเนอร์ชีมันไปอินเตอร์แล้วว่างงมากเลยเป็นภาพก่อนประกาศโอ้ยดอนคลายยูกอนวินลาวุนโยนดอนคลายคุณลาตีไม่ค่อยสวยแต่ชนะได้ข้าวไหมที่ดับพิเศษฟิลิปปินส์ที่เดอะพิเศษ
Growing up in a predominantly non-diverse part of the United States, I was identified as Filipina first and foremost. I often had to point where the Philippines was on a map to my peers, and I always felt a sense of belonging and home. I chose to pack my life into balikbayan boxes and suitcases because I believe in the limitless potential of the Filipino people and the fact that we need to create local opportunities here so that people don't have to go abroad and be separated from their families in order to survive and
วันนี้ลูกชีไม่ได้ว่ะ
If I were given the title of Miss Universe Philippines, I promise to be a public servant for all.
Thank you so much, Miss Launyon. You can
เพ
now
ราะวันนี้
greet
ลูกชีไม่สวยอ่ะไม่รู้ฉันว่าฉันเคยเห็นชีสวยมากกว่านี้
Miss Luna!
เอาประกาศคนงงลูกเลยนะมันเร็วก็เร็วเกินกูงงมากประกาศแล้ว
Congratulations to our new Miss Universe Philippines 2026, Miss Launyon.
จะประกาศก็ประกาศแล้ว
You now carry the card of the Filipina on the
เอ้า
global
ตัวเดนอ
stage.
โคแฮนเหรอ เอ้าแล้วใครไปซูป้าใครไปชาม
This has been your host,
ใครไปคอโต้
Marina Summers, celebrating the strength, beauty, and power of every Filipino.
ยืดกูมาตั้งนานประกาศทีเดียว
Hawaiian Filipina!
ว้าวชีโมงแล้ว
Miss
อุ้ย
Nanya, please take your first
อุ๊ย
walk
เขาใส่
as
หมวก
Miss
สวยนะ
Universe
ชุดอะ
Philippines 2026!
ทางการนาชาตินะคะหลักอุ่นโยนค่ะ วินเนอร์มิสยูนิเวิร์สฟิลิปปินส์ไทยแลนด์ยังไงคะ